was a bachelor, I lived all alone and worked at the weaver's trade. And the only thing that I ever did wrong was to woo a fair young maid. I wooed her in the winter time and in the summer too. And the only thing that I did that was wrong was to keep her from the foggy dew. One night she came to my bedside when I lay fast asleep. She laid her head upon my bed and she began to weep. She sighed, she cried, she damn near died. She said, what shall I do? So I hauled her into bed and I covered up her head just to keep her from the foggy dew. Oh, I am a bachelor, I live with my son and we work at the weaver's trade. And every single time that I look into his eyes, he reminds me of the fair young maid. He reminds me of the winter time and of the summer too, and of the many times that I held her in my arms just to keep her from the foggy